Okay, so the first part of the advanced double nunchuck forms begins very simple, but then you can upgrade it so it becomes a lot more tricky. So all you're going to do is take a good high horse stance, start with the right nunchuck up high, the left nunchuck low by your leg, and you're just going to bounce high and low and alternate like so. So the techniques are not new, it's just the fact that you're going in different directions, which is kind of a theme for this form, which is what makes it so difficult. Now, once you can do this, and you've got these bounces, add spins in. And all I'm doing here is a forward spin and a back spin, as we've done with the single nunchuck in foundation. But the fact that you are doing one going up and one going down makes this a lot harder. So I'll show you this from the side. I'm doing one spin each time, but in opposite directions, because one is going up and one is going down. Now there are many ways to learn this. Some people practice by getting their weaker hand to do, say, a forward spin, and then practice doing a backward spin on the way up, maybe just once, or maybe just doing it continuously, like so. Then you practice, start one off, and then try to get going with the other hand. Sometimes the other hand will start doing something odd because you're doing this simultaneously, but that is one way to do it. Break it down, do it one at a time, maybe practice a backward spin, and get the other one to start from this position and then go forwards. And gradually you will get used to this, but it takes a lot of practice. So eventually you can spin one up and one down. Now, there is another level to this. After a bit of time practicing this, you can do it with figure eights too. So again, it's just normal forward or backward figure eight, as you've done with single nunchucks. But you have to do them going in opposites. So again, like we were doing here at the start, and with the spins, you can figure eight one forwards and one backwards. Now again, some people practice this by getting one arm going first and then trying to get the other one to go in the other direction. Again, they will start doing odd things, you'll hit yourself in the arm to begin with. That's perfectly normal. So this is easy to explain, but it does take a long while to get just right. So you can either do the base form here, starts nice and easy. Spins is a fair bit trickier, and then figure eights is a lot trickier. Give it a try, see how you go.